Hi everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe for ya, and I'm calling it a creamy chicken spinach squash dish, and it'll serve 2 to 3 people. Here's what you will need: 1 pound of the boneless, skinless chicken tenders, spinach, a bag of the frozen spaghetti squash, goat cheese. You'll need organic coconut oil, pink salt, some kind of a hot seasoning. I'm using Down by the Bayou and red crushed pepper, and then a fry pan with spatula and cover, a 1 cupper and a tablespoon. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of the organic coconut oil in a fry pan on a heat a little higher than medium, and add in your boneless, skinless chicken tenders, and over that add heavily pink salt and your hot seasoning to taste. You want to go ahead and cover this and let it cook. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and heat our spaghetti squash in the microwave, and mine takes 6 minutes. While that's cooking, when your chicken is ready, go ahead and flip them and let them cook. Once they're fully cooked, you want to chop it up into bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to begin to put our recipe together. You're going to start with 3 cups of the spinach, and you're going to let this cook down. You want to cover it, let it cook down first. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's cooked down, you'll see the picture here. We're then going to add the bag of the heated spaghetti squash, the entire bag, and the entire package of the goat cheese. It's a small package. If you don't like goat cheese, use a half a package of cream cheese. Cover this and let it cook down till the cheese is all melted. Then you're going to give it a good stir, and I wanted it a little bit more spicier, so I added some more of Down by the Bayou, and then I served it up. I made it into 2 servings. It could definitely be 3, but I do 1 meal a day. And I added over it Parmesan cheese, bacon bits, about 2 tablespoons, and a red crushed pepper to make it even spicier. And here is the picture. Yum, 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 you guys. This was so delicious. The whole dish was 17 net carbs, which means this plate right here is only 8.5 net carbs and absolutely delicious. Definitely make this for your family, and always, always keep it keto.